What's up guys, Hamza here from Unity Performance. Just pulled over to talk about the new MBRP exhaust on the Unity FL5. Quick walk around of the car and then let me walk to the back, show you the goods. You can see MBRP triple tip carbon fiber exhaust. This is their new offering. Right now we've got the development exhaust on our car, and pretty soon we're going to be getting the full production ready version. Quick things to note about this exhaust: it will have, of course, triple tips, and you can choose between a stainless finish, carbon fiber finish, or the burnt stainless finish. That kind of matches the wrap, but personally loving the carbon fiber a lot. The tips will also be adjustable, meaning you can set how far in or how far out you want, and as well as you can have different tip sizes. So you could have 3 of the same tip sizes as we've gone with here, or you can have a large center tip, smaller side tips. You choose it the way you want. Now, a couple of other highlights about the exhaust itself. It is a full 3-inch from the front pipe and the mid pipe all the way back. The way it works is we've got a 3-inch front pipe with a flex pipe that comes down. Now there is the first resonator in the mid pipe, and then a standard, you get a straight pipe, but you can also choose which this is equipped with, and you'll see in the time when I go underneath to take the GoPro underneath the car that there is an optional second resonator muffler underneath the car as well. Then the 3-inch piping comes all the way back. The center tip retains the valve that you have from factory, so that is perfect, because in individual mode you can set it to be open as we have, or in plus R it always remains open. Comfort, sport, there's varying levels. Comfort, it stays closed. The side tips have mufflers on each side. So far with this development exhaust, we have experienced no drone at all. I will play the video clips that I just shot with the in-car cruising, in-car acceleration, and you will see that the exhaust is a really mild OEM plus offering. In plus R, when the valves are open, or in individual, when the valves are open, you can really hear that, okay, sweet, this has a really nice aftermarket exhaust tone. But even then, it's not overbearing. On the highway you will barely notice it. Comfort, it's as quiet as stock, which is awesome for a full 3-inch aftermarket exhaust. Other things to note: now since we have an FK8 as well as the FL5, the FL5 is a lot it has a smoother tone. The engine just revs out smoother, and overall the exhaust tone is much improved with the FL5, much more mature with the FL5. And I think that was my assignment for MBRP. Please make an exhaust that is smooth. You know, I've had rumbly exhausts like AWE, but I personally prefer the smooth tones, and especially once you add a downpipe, most exhaust systems become very rumbly, very loud, almost drony. So this setup, this configuration will make sure that there is no drone. We're excited to add a downpipe. We will be adding the 271 catted downpipe to this setup, but since we have a double resonated mid pipe, which from other exhaust systems has told us that, you know, drone can be eliminated with double resonated mid pipes and rear muffler, we're pretty confident that drone will not be an issue once a downpipe is added. The rest, please enjoy the video clips that we have taken, or I've just shot on my way to this little school parking lot. This was not a destination. I just pulled over just to talk to the camera for a minute.